is day 3 of VLOGMAS. Basically, for this video, I am going to be wrapping presents for my nieces and my cousins. Well, cousin and myself, because, like, you know, I know what at least 3 of my gifts are gonna be, because I picked them out myself, because, like, you know, I'm a stickler. So I'm just gonna get into it. I just burped and I just tasted my dinner. That's disgusting. It's a little creepy and disgusting. But yeah, I'm taking the last of my snow day to, like, not do my homework and wrap some presents that I was then supposed to wrap, like, and I was supposed to make this video like a long time ago, like earlier in December, but I'm finally, okay, paper, come off the plastic. Oh, rip the actual paper. Oh, it's too late. I finally got to it. And, like, you know, I've already started wrapping presents. Like, I wrapped my other nieces and my mom's, and I need to wrap one more of my nieces. Hopefully my mom sent me how to spell her name. Oh, she did. Okay, good. And basically, that's it. I also need to buy my dad a gift. Like, I'm saving up some money to buy him a gift, because I've already bought my mom's gifts. And, like, you know, because shopping for my dad's actually super hard, because he never says, like, he wants anything. He's always just kind of like Scrooge, and it's like, whatever. And I'm like, Dad, you get pissed off when you buy, like, you're like, oh, it's a crappy gift. Well, because you never tell what you want. So I'm actually gonna go, like, he never closes the browser, so he's been looking at a couple of things, and I'm gonna save up and buy them for him so he can have it. Hopefully my mom hasn't bought it. I think I'm gonna ask my mom, like, you know, has she bought this? So I don't have to worry about that. But either way, I'm gonna just go ahead and get with the little time lapse so this video won't be long. And I hope you're liking my little VLOGMAS. I'm getting consistent. I'm trying. I really am trying. So. Hey guys, so I finished wrapping presents, and I wrapped good. I think I wrapped 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10. I wrapped 10 presents out of the 11, and, like, the one I left was mine, so, like, you know, it's okay. It probably took me about an hour, but, like, you know, and I also used all the paper, so I'm gonna need some more paper to wrap my last gift and any more I'm gonna get, because I know I'm gonna, like I said before, my dad, and, like, one other relative. No, 2. I don't know. It depends on how my funds are looking. But anyway, bye.